Hi guys, welcome again to my videos. So this is that with the updates. So by the way, guys, this which is this house that I built. It was came from the YouTube tutorial. I've tried also my best to try to have that kind of house, and that was a show on the YouTube channel for the tutorial. So this is the house that I've come up to by that tutorial that I've been having, choosing a reference because I do really love the design of the houses. So in regards with this, guys, as you can see earlier, that there's a pool, a garden, and right now it was the inside of the house. But through to this house, the house, guys, there are still no furnitures. I'm still have it in my mind what is the design of the or the layout inside that I want to input to, where do I put the rooms and etc. So this is the full um, result of the house.